This would be a good time to feed her.
No.
She's like, I'm done trying.
Get some exercise. What? Up in that hallway?
Ow, funny
Not
bone.
just to stay in bed all day.